State of Texas versus Pedro Guerra. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel S. Clark with the state of Texas.
Defense.
Travis Kettner, Your Honor, we're ready.
And are you Mr. Guerra?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, have you received all the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
All right. Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we're waiving the repeat offender enhancement allegation.
Any objection?
No, thank you, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Guerra, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, ma'am, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Guerra, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,500 fine. State recommends community supervision, a 2-year driver's license suspension, and ignition interlock for the full term. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, and 250 hours of community.
Right away, this is a motion to revoke community supervision, which is basically the court saying you broke the rules of probation. Now explain yourself. At this stage, the judge already has the power to send her straight to jail. Everything that happens next is about whether she gets one last chance or not.
Service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State on Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
You may continue to confer. Did you review the document entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court has a question. All right, he signed all the documents as Pedro Guerra. In the police reports, he's listed as Pedro Guerrero.
He is Guerra, Your Honor.
It's Guerra, Guerra.
All right. Are you the person who committed the DWI on the date of April 24th, 2022?
Ma'am.
And is your address on North Frio Street?
At
At the time.
West Street.
No, at the time of this offense.
Yes, West Street.
Okay. So does anybody want to make a correction or do the AKA as a part of the indictment? And will there be any objections?
There's no objection, Judge. I didn't.
Judge, if you know, the state can move to amend the indictment, for Pedro Guerra, is it Guerrero or
Guerrero. In the police report, his name is listed as Pedro Guerrero. And the indictments and all the stipulations is listed as Pedro Guerra.
And his correct name is Guerra.
Guerra, yes.
Okay,
All right, sir, do you acknowledge that you're correct?
Notice how calmly she pleads true. That single word is huge. It means she's admitting the violation and giving the judge full authority to punish her. There's no trial, no debate from here on. It's all about mercy versus consequences.
Name is Pedro Guerra.
Guerra.
All right, did you give a driver's license to the officer when you spoke with him?
It's been a while, Judge. He may not remember.
All right. So I'll tell you, here are the issues, and I'll go forward with the plea. The issue is that on some parts of the page, they have him listed as Pedro Guerrero in the police report, and then other parts in the officer's synopsis is listed as Pedro Guerra. All right. So you're telling the court your name is actually Pedro Guerra?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yeah, there are, yes, ma'am. And I just want to speak to him a couple of things when we get a chance.
All right, you may proceed.
Judge, very briefly, my client is 69 years old, who no longer drives at all. And so I know normally there is a interlock, half the term and all that. So I wanted to make the court aware. So if you wanted to, have an alternate requirement. The other thing, Judge, my client survives only on Social Security. He can no longer work and does no longer work. And I know the fine was set at $2,500. So I didn't know if it would be able to, court be able to probate some of that or kind of work with him on that.
All right. This is what the court will do. The court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison. That will be suspended and probated for 10 years. There's a $2,500 fine probated.
Thank you, Judge.
There's going to be 2 years license suspension. The court is going to find that the defendant is indigent and unable to pay the court costs.
Thank you, Judge.
There will be ignition interlock for the full term. If defendant provides an affidavit of non-driving plus proof of non-ownership of a vehicle, then the court will allow for scram.
This is a classic courtroom moment. The judge isn't being rude, she's protecting the record. If the court reporter can't hear you clearly, it's like you never spoke at all. In real life, mumbling can literally cost you your freedom.
There is to be 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition of probation. Proof of employment or SSI within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be a TAP evaluation in custody following TAP recommendations. 120 sober support meetings in 120 days. There's to be a referral to felony drug court in custody. The victim impact panel live DWI education course, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Field visits, one time per month for 4 months. Probation, is there anything else? Yes. We'll do regular random UAs. Is there anything else he needs?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, thank you, Judge. So he'll be in jail for approximately 10 more days?
No, he'll be in jail for the TAP evaluation and because as a condition of probation, it's statutory that he do the 10 days.
Oh, no, I understand. I mean, just
Yeah.
so I can tell him, right?
Yes.
So, because I'm sure the tap when they're in custody, I know comes real quick, so.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay? All right, we're going to come back on June 17th. At that time, you'll need to let the court know whether or not you're accepting the state's offer. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court, even if it's from work. That's still good. What do y'all bake? Do y'all bake anything?
Bread that you eat.
Oh,
I probably give him bread that you eat.
oh, okay.
We
Well, you know what?
You're putting
It's
on the
been-
spot here.
No, I will tell you, it's been a month and I've given up bread.
Wow.
So, but I'm sorry. I mean, if it'll help
Put him
you.
out of work, Judge?
No, okay. You know what? Everyone else, that's just me. That's stuff I have to do. But all right, once you sign the reset form, you will be excused. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
This is the Crossroads inpatient treatment or 18 months in state jail. It sounds like a choice, but listen closely. The judge makes it clear she's not walking out today. Either way, the only question is Skidge or clinic.
I will eat a loaf of bread for you. Corian Volant.
That's
That's the same one that you gave me.
All right, so where are we on this case?
The same situation, Judge. We received a plea offer today, so I guess on that, maybe that 3-week date
All right,
to come
and
back.
that's June
17. I think.
17th. All right, we'll bring you back on June 17th.
Thank you, Judge.
seat, ma'am.
Priscilla Batius. Hello.
Hi, Judge.
Hi. I'm liking the color combination.
These old rags.
Yeah, these are rags.
Thank you.
All right, so today's plea deadline date.
Is it?
Yes,
Um,
because the offer was tendered on April 30th.
so we're definitely not, I don't recall the previous offer having been made, but apparently it was. We're not going to be accepting the state's offer, Judge.
All righty. So, how long do y'all expect this jury trial to last?
2 days? Yeah, less than a week for sure.
All right, Norm, I need a jury trial date for criminal trial division. They're saying 2 days.
I think I'm not on vacation, but we have a specially set murder in here. I thought that week.
Oh,
Mary
good.
Diaz. I thought it was that week. I could be wrong.
Okay.
Are you thinking of?
All right.
Mary Diaz.
That's July 15th.
16th? Okay.
All right. So your jury trial date is going to be July 9th. Court will not accept any plea bargains in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you'll have to plead open to the court. You'll be brought over dressed in whatever civilian clothing you have at the jail. If you wish to be attired in something different, you'll need to do a clothing exchange with your attorney. Counsel, if there's an issue with the clothing exchange, let the court know.
I will, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so everyone, we're going to take our lunch break. And we'll be back at 1:35. And has she done her UA?
She's drinking some water right now.
Okay, all right. Where's the warrant?
I did a warrant.
Oh, this one, okay. Court is calling 2023 CR 81.
This is why this judge goes viral. She uses humor to explain accountability. The message is brutal but simple. Wanting to change ISNT the same as actually changing. Everyone wants results. Very few want the discipline.
1-9, State of Texas versus Karen Marino. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense,
Lauren Lefton for Ms. Moreno.
are you Karen Marino?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Karen Grace Marino who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 8119 for the offense of terroristic threat or family or household on October 11, 2023 for a period of 16 months? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 2, on or about the 10th day of November 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Karen Grace Moreno, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
We'll waive the remaining violation.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 2. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor,
Yes.
to revoke the individual offer deferred, assess a 30 days in the Bexar County Jail.
That is our understanding, Your Honor.
All right. So what has she done on probation? What have you done on probation? Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Karen Moore.
All right. What have you done on probation?
I just do the UAs and just report each month.
All right. Oh, yes. I see that because I'm not the one who placed her on probation. So when's the last time you were drug tested?
Last week on
And-
Friday. I do it now every week on Friday. I did it last week, Friday.
All right. And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I pass.
All right. So we're going to do a drug test. If you pass your drug test, then I'll follow your plea bargain agreement.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay?
And just so the court knows, Ms. Moreno was fully employed at Dunkin' Donuts. She did make arrangements for her employer for this, so she is responsible.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. All right, let's do the UA.
Okay, great. Thank you.
And that's the hammer. After all the talk, all the tears, all the chances, she gets 18 months anyway. This is the cold truth of probation court. The judge may care about your future, but the law only cares about your actions.